Y'all, I'm getting ready to put y'all up on something, man. Yo, when you see something ill, you know what I mean? That shit is woke. Anything ill you see is woke. Nigga have a big 6 at the curb, that's woke. Okay. Especially if he got the fully equipped kid on it, it's woke. Like, you know what I mean? Like, yo, I had this bad bitch uptown, she was woke. Had me fucked up in the head, I mean, whoa. Bought the bitch diamonds and pearls, I mean, whoa. Should've seen them shit shining on the wrist. Now money ain't a problem, see my dough is like, pulled out my bankroll on y'all niggas like, lost the bootstrap from 2/10 like, faggot wanna peep my blueprints, I'm like, had to hit the brakes on y'all niggas like,
My name is Brandon Daniels. I drive a 06 Suzuki GSXR 750.
My name is Nato. I also ride a 06 GSXR 750. Being only bikes and pretty much only bikes in general in the club, it's kind of an accomplishment. You know, it's not too many people who can say that. It's not too many people who's actually bold enough to hop on a bike. So us being on bikes is kind of already wild, being around 30, 40 different cars. You know, we stand out in general as a club with the cars. So when you throw bikes in the mix, it just really turns heads even more because now they looking like, oh yeah, these kids really know what they're doing. So it's just an experience. It's lovely. I actually love it. So let's keep on getting more bikes. That's how I feel.
2 wheels.
2 wheels.
Tell me about your role in the club.
I am a sergeant of arms, so my role in the club is basically try to keep order, try to talk as much as I can to everybody in the club. I'm the VP and the president's voice, so they can't be the only ones to talk. So we as sergeant of arms got to do some of the talking for them, keep order, do watch, things like that. Just basically some of the things that the Prez and the VP expect from us are just a little bit more than some of, you know, non-officer members.
So I'm sergeant at arms as well. And it's just really just mainly protect, you know, we have a whole family organization that we got going on. So, you know, just making sure you're protecting them like the brothers and sisters that you look at them like, you know, not just on the streets, but, you know, if we're out doing events, you know, making sure you're protecting them. You know, if there's any altercations, making sure you're dialing that down and not letting stuff get too far. And just, yeah, just like I said, protecting and serving. You know,
being a voice.
Being a voice. Just being that extra form of security, you know, watching. You know, when we were down in Myrtle, it was watching at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, making sure nobody was out touching cars. You know, we did have a small incident that we hopped on it super quick. So, I mean, I don't think anything else happened besides that, but Sergeant at Arms is what we do. Just making sure we're good.
When they see me off in traffic, they say Jeezy on some other shit. Send them running straight back to the dealership. Me, I'm in my spaceship, that's right, I work for NASA. This FNH is not a fraud. Call that my bodyguard. Call that the bodyguard. Yeah, that's my bodyguard. Wear a lot of jewelry. Young don't do security. What's whiter than a napkin, harder than a dinner plate. If you want it, come and get it. You know I stay super straight.
My name is Chris Tudor. I drive a 2007 Charger SRT8, and my role is a mechanic and also a Wild Boy member.
My name is Christopher Chilton. I drive a 2021 wide-body Charger Hellcat. I'm a Wild Boy and detail.
So I understand there was a trophy involved for the best chapter. Can you tell me about that?
Well, that's who came and represented the most, came out the deepest, and came out with the Brotherhood, sisterhood, and who rapped the hardest down there in Myrtle.
What did the club do to prepare for the trip?
Well, before we traveled to Myrtle, we had a few meetings to talk about the trip, what we wanted to do, and get folks involved. Make sure everybody was participating. We got with the road captains, talked about how we're going to drive down there, keep everybody together, keep everybody safe. And basically, we just prepared for it really well. It just speaks volumes to how close we are as a family, not just a club, but we really look out for each other.
What was it like meeting the founding members?
It was a good experience to see how a small idea had become so big so fast. Like, just started with like 5 members in the basement who wanted to build something, and it just grew and expanded like wildfire.
So we got Peter one doing Bass and Films, man. 2 of the founding members, the Street Predators. National presidents right here. They why we all here right now, bro. Ohio.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
My favorite part was just the interaction with not just our chapter members, but meeting other members, finding out how they started, where they came from, what direction they're looking to go to. Just as a whole, Street Predators, I like the direction that we're going to.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot, just like the fajita. I write what I live, my life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow, just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam, I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect them. I made the call up with just like I'm reffing. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never, like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking when. Me and my wife gon' have some kids. Right now we just practicing. Teacher said quit rapping, man. That gon' hurt my average. I said thank God I ain't average. Yeah, I'm a bright young man. Kill the GPA and the BPM. Look, we on. So say what you say.
What's your name and what are you driving?
I'm Ryan Dubsday 5_7. I drive a 2013 Dodge Challenger RT.
Same.
Hey, I'm Slideshow 50 Dustin. I drive a 2017 Ford Mustang GT.
What did you like most about the trip?
The thing that I liked the most about the Myrtle trip was that we all went down there as a unity, as a pack, as a family, and we all showed out together. And just SP for life.
Perhaps I have such special needs. I wondered what was wrong with me. Friends all false, so
Pussies. Called the first one savage, mold my mood, that's what it was. 2016 we was running around, beat niggas up in the club. I know she around for the money, but act like she loyal, I don't for the love. I'm so rich, get bored, might wake up, buy me a car just cuz. Her titties is hard, cause she spent the 5, my bitch titty cost me a dub. All my bitches got BBLs, all my bitches got blood. I ain't with the rap beef, Draco, pedophile, all my arts get touched. We ain't never ran off on no bar, but we still be hopping out cuz. Running.
All the way from Ohio. No, not doing this. No, unless you have like a, if you have something through the city and they like set it up for you or something like that.
How long does it take to get one of those?
Yeah,
it's like what, $25, or this would be a large permit, right?
I am crack fiending for the goddamn burned tires.
I want to get into the middle again because I want to fuck.
Bro, I thought about took that goddamn knee off.
I was good, bro.
I was like,
that was you that ran out there.
He was scared,
yeah.
bro. I was good.
Okay, so,
like, girl,
all right, so this the dude that ran out while.
That's right.
Yeah, I was sliding.
Yeah.
My girl in the back, my girl in the passenger seat, like, oh my fucking God, you better hit him. And I'm like,
I promise to God, yo, I was by you already.
No.
Hey,
Yo,
that's why I did it.
he had to alter his shit to keep from hitting you.
Yeah, he did.
No, I promise he did.
Yeah, he did.
Did you have to order your shit?
yeah. Well, I probably didn't have to.
If you kept
but
sliding,
I
I swear to goodness, you wouldn't have hit me.
But a human's reactions to be like, no, that's not right. So we're gonna turn around and go the opposite way.
The most I liked about the trip was driving all down together. Nobody got left behind. We did what we did. We showed out everywhere. Everybody knows everything about SP.
What makes SP a good car club?
What makes SP a good car club is that we do a lot of community things. It's not just all about cars like people do think that. But no, we actually do a lot of donations to homeless people. We do a lot of community things. We clean up places. We go to communities and do a lot of different events.
Same.
Most I like about SP is, like my brother said, we come together as a family. Like, it's not just about cars. We monthly meetings, everybody's there. We don't talk about cars all that much. Yeah, we like our cars, mod our cars, but we there for the community, giving book bags out, cleaning up the roadsides, doing school drive stuff like that.
Take you